And can you say your question loud?
Can I come work for you?
Sure.
My name's Winnie. My question for you is, what do you say if I to the food service director when she said that, well, I don't have enough labor to cut up the vegetables, I don't get reimbursement from the government. What do you say to that one?
There's a couple of things with that. No two school districts are alike. Understand that first and foremost. So you got to do a little of your homework. Some school districts allow volunteers. In Santa Monica, Malibu, I wouldn't be standing here today if it wasn't for champions like you, parents that were committed, that we went to the PTA and said, okay, we'll do this pilot, but we need help. And they said, you tell us how many people you need and how long they're going to be there, and we will assign it. That's how the pilot was able to go an entire year. So you look for ways to help them out, or grant funds. We're practitioners. We're not grant writers. We need the skills that some of you have to help us, and sometimes it's just simply partnering with someone who's received a grant, that they're able to help. I'll give you an example in Santa Monica. We got grants for the low-income students. If you can believe that, Santa Monica, Malibu has low-income students. But for the more affluent students, if they wanted the salad bar, I asked the PTA to commit $5,000 a year for 2 years, that the salad bar would be self-sufficient in the third year. And we were able to prove that that's in fact true.
One more question.
One more.
My question is, when you talk to your food service director and you beg for a salad bar, and so then they take the processed chicken McNuggets and they chop them up and throw them on the iceberg lettuce and say, okay, I give you what you want. And it didn't really change, but they're saying, oh, it's a chicken Caesar salad, but it's not. It's a chopped up McNugget that they were serving with ketchup. Now they've chopped it up, thrown it on the iceberg lettuce, and given you some ranch dressing. How do you change that mentality?
That was innovative and creative. You keep coming back nicely. One big mistake that we do outside of school food service. You want to tell me, I want to help you fix the crap in the cafeteria. How much support do you think you're going to get from me? I want to help you improve on the quality of food, on the variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. We have to be careful how we talk to the professionals. I spend 10 to 12 hours a day doing my job. Do not tell me what I do is crap and then expect to get me to work with you. It's called food service 101.
Can I ask a question?
What, is it a quick question, yes or no?
I was wondering if there's any data connected to the health.
I'm glad you asked.
Okay, because he has now a minute to answer it.
Okay, I'm glad you asked.
Like, attendance and.
That's important.
If you go to our website, www.k12.ca.us. Go to the website. You're going to find a link to the University of North Carolina's Center of Excellence. They did a 2-year study on the program. Shows why it's what they call revenue neutral. In other words, it doesn't make money, but you don't lose. And it talks about how it improves, what the impacts are. So all of that information is there. There's actually 2 studies, and there's some short links that about the program that would be helpful. There's a how-to booklet on the farmer's market salad bar.